Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're working on this 21 and we're installing a Calas cam. And remember to comment, like and subscribe, and let's share and grow this channel so we can do more videos. Remember to share, like, and subscribe, and comment so I can listen to all you guys' comments. Anyway, this Jetski in my background was done by a shop already, and they promised the owner 81 miles per hour. Obviously, it's here. It only went 75, and the owner was a little disappointed, and then he found out that I work on jet skis. So he's new at this thing. He didn't know anybody, so he brought it to me, and what we end up with is we are going to do a cam install on it. We're going to put springs and retainers and just a cam. It's not going to have a wheel for now, so I'm really curious to see what is going to run just on the cam. So here we go, and let's take it apart. Today we have the Mr. Rene here, and we're going to be working on this together. He's been motivating me to get more stuff done because I got so much work. So
yeah, a lot of work.
And all right, so here we go. Let's take the seat off and see what we got. Ah, look at that! I see a Riva intake, ribbon delete. And I think pretty much it. I don't even know if this jet ski has a prop. We're gonna find out. And we also gonna check the supercharger and the sleep on the supercharger, because this jet ski got over 100 hours, right?
110 hours.
Yeah, got 110 hours. So we're gonna check out the supercharger and see what we got there. We might have a surprise. Yep. So we'll see.
Yeah, before we throw power at it, let's confirm that everything's good.
Yep. Yep. He says. All right guys, so this is a good thing about working with somebody else. I was in the phone with a client all this time, and I come back and look at this. Supercharger's out, everything is out. The pump is out. What? I gotta get used to this. Anyway, this jet ski has 110 hours, right? Yep. Man, let me tell you something. This guy really knows how to take care of this jet ski, because he goes on freshwater and saltwater. So that's crazy. Look at this. This thing is beautiful. It looks like it just came out from the dealer. And what's more impressive, it has an aftermarket filter. And look at that. Look at this. Wow. You know this guy, and you say he's very picky.
He's very picky. He washes it every time.
Oh man, it really pays off. That's crazy. All right, so I don't see anything wrong there. The manifold is fine. It's not cracked. There was no boost leaks. I'm gonna check the slip on the supercharger and see what we got. So let's see what we got for slip on the supercharger. 11.3. That's not bad. Well, before you do the slip, you're supposed to go through 3 or 4 times around on, so you can warm up the gear. That's what the factory says. So that's what I do. I just did that. I just didn't put it in film. I didn't want to bore you guys. So 11.3, that's not bad. That's basically factory. That's what it should be. I'm gonna put it up a little bit since we put in a cam. Probably put it around between 13 and 14. Doesn't need any more than that, and we go from there. As we know, this jet ski came from another shop, and what's interesting is it has that piece right there. That piece, I'll show you guys, this piece here on the GTX and the Fish Pro for the IDF system. So it makes sense for that ski because the actual prop, it has a transmission right on the PTO cover, and the actual prop goes backwards. So in case you have weeds stuck on the bottom of the integrate, it will push the water the other way. It sounds like a great system, but SeaDoo had a lot of issues with that system. But this is an RXP! It doesn't have that system. Things that make you go, I wonder what happened. Oh my God. This is when you don't have nothing to do.
Many hours later.
All right. Hey Jack, what are we doing, Jack?
What do you think I'm doing? What am I always doing?
We are installing a tune.
Putting a tune in.
Oh yeah, baby.
Another one. We're making another jet ski fast.
Yep.
Faster.
Faster.
We're giving it the Calas touch.
Yep. Stage 1 plus cam. That's what this tune is gonna be. So let's see what we can get out of it. We just put a tune on this 21 RXP, and it's a stage 1 plus cam.
That's right. This is what we call it, a cam only.
A cam only.
We call it a cam only. So
Yeah.
Stock injectors, stock supercharger, just the
Yeah.
cam.
Yeah.
In a nice size.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So
Okay.
Jack is gonna go test it for a run and see what we got. Running perfect. No issues. Put it in sport mood.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's a Calas tune, baby.
Well, it's in kilometers. So it was like 133. So I don't know. I think that's about 80. Like that. 80 something. Yeah. Somewhere in there. Like 83. 83, is that what it is?
Yeah, let's see. Yeah. So 133 in kilometers.
Yeah, I didn't have the trim up either. That was like neutral trim.
All right. How much gas you got?
Full tank. Well, no, two down one bar, like 1 or 2 bar.
Yep.
I'm on an angle too, so.
Well, no issues, no nothing.
83 mile an hour.
83 mile per hour with this heat.
And that's me sitting up. I
Yeah,
don't do
I
anything.
saw. Yeah, this is not looking for speed or anything.
It is fucking.
And it is hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
It is hot.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Yeah, pretty
Feels
solid.
nice.
Yeah.
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 Take it for a spin.
Yep. Oh yeah. I'm next. All right, guys. So here we go. Stage 1 plus cam. Calas cam, Calas tune. Got to put a good amount of fuel Let's see what we can get. Alright guys, so you're 84 miles per hour. That's pretty good in my book. And it's hot. 8,500 RPMs, that's pretty good. So that's good in my book.
Cam only, baby.
Cam only, baby. 84 miles per hour. Now,
On the cluster.
on the, yeah, of course. On the cluster.
That's 85 real time.
Right. So now we're gonna put this guy. What do you weigh?
281.
281. And let's see what it does with him on it. That should be interesting.
Grown man's going on.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is
So,
guys.
yep.
You just gotta keep saying it.
280-pound big man is gonna go and test our cam only tune on a 21 RXP.
You gotta hold it.
Yeah, I know. Now, will the top speed reset or no?
What is it right now? Yeah, you have to reset it.
I think you just hold it. Hold okay.
Let's see. Going again. There. Yep, there.
There it goes. All right. Let's see what we get.
Don't lose your sunglasses.
Yeah. Yep. Man, he looks fast. Holy crap.
Way down in there. It's like a turtle.
What do you think he's gonna do, Jack?
Over 80.
Yeah, I figure, yeah. What you got, my boy?
84.
What? No way. Wow, that's impressive.
It's got enough power to go right to those.
Well, that's interesting.
That's fucking interesting. Yo, that cam fucking works.
Cam only, baby. Calas tune. Get yours today, order it, and it's available right now. Fearless.